We got a very special AT4X, really special edition of the GMC Sierra right here. This is probably what the future of the AT4X has in store for us. This is not the normal AT4X. This has 35-inch tires, 17-inch wheels. It's been raised a couple inches. Special AEV parts are on here to make this work. Don't worry, the GMC is still here. It's not going away, but we have to cover the new AT4X that's going to be, well, that is available. But I think this is going to be a precursor to what 2026 and 2027 have in store for us, or I guess more of the 2027 when the body gets refreshed. But here's the deal. Here's the kicker. Okay, let's start from the ground up. We start with 315/70/17 versus the 33-inch tires that normally come on the AT4X. So this is still branded as an AT4X. It has all the special AEV parts. We have 17-inch Salto wheels, which has a positive 12 offset, which is wider than what the factory wheels typically are. You can see that back here on the side when we look down the middle. Not only are the tires wider, we got like basically a 12-inch wide tire, but also the wheels stick out a little bit better. Really similar to the positive 18 offset we have on the Sierra right now. So it's almost like, well, it is like aftermarket right off the bat. But not only that, we have an AEV tire clearance kit. So we have very similar to what we had to do with the Sierra, making clearance here for the larger tires, except now it's OEM, dealership, super clean, no rubbing whatsoever. And then in addition, the AEV kit also raises the AT4X a couple inches, like it's like a body spacer mixed with like a strut spacer, and it's a little bit of everything, but basically the whole truck is up a couple inches. So what that does, you have full articulation, no rubbing, ready to go with 35s right off the bat. And then in addition, you know, you have all the other AT4X things. You've got, I believe this is probably a come up winch hidden in here. Yeah, it's all AEV branded. So you come up, you have a custom hood. It looks like this is all fresh. It looks like it's painted. If it's not, it's a really good wrap if it's not painted on there. Got some custom grille colors on here as well. Now this is all optioned by Covert GMC. So go ahead and shout out Chris for giving me some time with this GMC here. Really appreciate him given the opportunity to look at this. But this really is what I think the future is, because if you saw the spy photos by GM Authority, there are 35s or 315/70/17s coming on the AT4Xs here in the future. So what this looks like now is what it's going to look like besides the body refresh. AEV doesn't make parts for no reason. They made this not just because people wanted it. They made it because GM wanted it, and they made it because dealers wanted it. And as you can see, there's plenty of clearance in front of these 35s. Now the suspension and everything, if you're wondering, it's all the same. It's all the same DSSV parts. Nothing changes on that front. It's just taller. It's just taller with the larger tires. And then as far as the interior goes, nothing's different in here. Oh, perfect. All right, so here you can see the window sticker. It's extremely expensive, being that it's all the new parts. So standard 3-liter diesel, the normal stuff. So there you go. 35-inch tire clearance kit by AEV. Come up winch, got the rear lights and the rear bumper. We'll take a look at that. These aren't the Creston wheels. These are the Saltas, but they're going to cost the same. 35s. You got the painted package, which is right up there on the hood. Got that red and black. Super good looking. Got the branding. You know, that's just the branding. Windshield banner. It's not on there yet. I guess you could get it if you wanted to. That's a sticker. And then, oh, let's see. Yeah, and then the rest of it. So, 102,000. But the good news is, if you want this today, it's here. It's available. They actually have 3 of them. They actually have 3. They have a red one, a white one, and I don't know where the other one is. But they have options. So if this one sells, you're not out of luck. Let's take a look at the rear bumper and see if those lights are in here. Yep. You see them tucked in right in there. Super clean. That's how the bumper should come from the beginning. If you're not familiar with the AT4X interior, let's just go ahead and take a look. You got the bows. The seats are a bit better than the normal AT4. They're a bit more comfortable. They're not as firm. It's just kind of, you get all the options. It's loaded. Slightly different dash here, but then for the most part it's the same, just better seats, better leather. Otherwise it's a Sierra. I feel like I'm driving my own, other than, oh, it's got massaging seats. I'm pretty sure, I don't know how to do it, I don't have one of these, but there is a massaging seat button somewhere in here, which is nice. Heated, cooled seats. It's an AT4X, but the main part of this is that you got the preview to what I believe is going to be the 2027 Sierra with that tire clearance kit, and then raising this up a couple inches. They didn't have to change anything about the suspension, which is awesome, which means they can get 35s on here now with the current model, which means when they redesign the body, they can maintain everything underneath the truck and then just make some visual appearance changes. So if you have an AT4X now, this is specific for the AT4X with the front bumper. This isn't for every model, but it's really cool that they're doing this they're partnering with AEV to do it. But at the end of the day, it's still dealerships trying to get 35s on the trucks, which is what we want to see. So that way it's warrantyable, because obviously you're getting it through the dealership. This is the part that matters for those of you that are really worried about warranty, but that means that you should be able to get these parts independently and just have your dealer put them on. Granted, the only thing I will say is that, man, I'm sweating, but the AEV website says that it's like 12 labor hours to get that installed. So it's a really, really expensive leveling kit with a tire clearance added into it, but it's from a dealership and it's covered. It should all be covered, so it should all be good. So let's compare this to my current truck, which is right outside here, and we'll do side by side and see how beefy this truck looks with essentially the same size tires, slightly wider, but the offset is about the same too. So let's take a look. Oh, and then they put a switch here for, I believe that would be the backup lights here. So let's do a side by side from the front end. My truck's a little bit further up, but as far as aggressiveness goes, you know, you've got the whole bumper, which is not unique to this truck. It is the AT4X, but you know, huge price difference between the two. Modified at home with the coilovers versus the DSSV here, but these Salto wheels look super good. I love that it's like the OEM look, but you get a little bit of that offset sticking out, similar to an aftermarket. Now, I love my wheels, don't get me wrong, but there's something about Salto wheels that really make this truck look really solid. And it's just kind of like low key, I feel like, too, being that it's more of like a stock truck, but it has everything aftermarket. Something's really nice and really clean about that. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about dealerships really getting after it, getting 35s on their trucks from the dealership without having to do a bunch of aftermarket warranty worries. Granted, this has a $100,000 price tag, but it's still very attractive with the fact that these kits exist, and you don't have to buy this through a dealership. You can buy this at home. You don't have to buy it here, but now you can see one installed, which is cool, because this is the first time I've seen one installed. And I think GM has a trick up their sleeve with this, and that these are going to be used on dealership vehicles in the near future, just like they did with the AEV bumper, putting them on all the new GM trucks that they have from the AT4X now. So let's wrap this up. Super cool. Lifted a couple inches, 35s, new offset wheels, no tire rubbing, all dealership covered on the AT4X edition. I believe this will be a hint to what comes in 2027 standard from GM. So if you appreciate this video and you like those insights, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Stick around because we got new videos coming every week. See you on the next one. Peace.